Hello everyone. Learn to develop an Android app. I, Dr. Neha Jain, I'm here to present a PPT or hands-on practice. All are Android versions. So the latest one is Android 10. So let's see in Android phones how can we develop an app. Android app. This can be done with two ways, with or without coding. The difference between with or without coding, if you have a little bit knowledge of coding or C programming or any Java programming, then you can do it by the coding. Otherwise, you can do it without coding also. So this is very simple. In 5 minutes, you can make an application, an Android phone. So let's see how we can make an Android app without coding. So without coding, by using the software that allow you to create a mobile application for Android without any coding. So these are the examples where you can make an application: iBuild app, AppyPie, VerseTouch, Mobile Ready, and Roma App Market. So maker, these all the applications, these all the software where you can make an application, Android application in your phone, mobile phone, without using the codes. Actually, whenever you use these application, the coding is done in the background of the application. So let's see. So I am using AppyPie just to make an application. Let's see how we can make an application, Android application in your phone in 5 minutes. Search AppyPie on Google search engine. So let's start. Learn to develop an Android application. Search in your phone. Click on this. You can get it. Sign up. If you have registered already, then you can sign in also. So first selection is mobile application. You can make even website, task automation, chatbot, graphics. So let's start with the mobile application. Write your business name. For what business name you want to make an application. So I have made already two application, Green Cottage School and Sanmati Traders. You can make some another by another name. For example, you are making an application for a college, name IITM. IITM, and then you can choose the category: business, radio, restaurant, online store, event, education. So it is the education. Then you can select the theme. You have two theme, you can change it later also. It's dark one and the light one. So I'm taking the light one, deep ocean. Deep ocean select करने के बाद now it will ask you to save the designs or making the text header bar text. So if you would like to make the header bar text whatever, like I would like to write the nurturing excellence. Nurturing excellence. Text font size is medium. This you can change. Even background you have selected, text and the icon color you have selected already. From here you can select the customize app layout. This app layout can be like this one, slide out, bottom, list, diamond, fixed matrix, images, 3D slide, and there are so many stamp, and there are so many layouts. So I am selecting the slide one, and then here the app icon is become IITM. If you want to make it change, you can change as a logo of or the icon of the college as a app icon. and then you can save and continue. So the first look of your application is getting ready. Within some seconds this application will be ready and you are able to test it in your Android phone. And later if you wish to edit it, you can edit whatever you want to edit it, and then you can publish it on the Play Store. The publication charges are 999 rupees for the lifetime. This one time fees which you have to pay, and you can make n number of application published on the Play Store. If you are doing it with coding, so there is no fees to publish on Play Store. But if you are doing it without coding, so one time you have to pay 999 rupees one time, and this is a lifetime fees. Now here your application is ready. So test your application IITM. So I'm clicking here. If I'll click here, then it will ask me to download the app in my Android phone. It's downloading. So I'm downloading it. Get it download in your Android phone. Downloaded in my downloads. So this is the app. I'm installing it. IITM. It is installing in my device. So let's see how it seems. It's installing. It will take hardly a few seconds to install it. Now open it. As I open it, so my application IITM is ready. Now I can edit it. So this is the application. Here you can change the founder, CEO, mission, vision, about your institute, and you can add the website here. You can insert so many information here, and then you can add your call number. As I'm calling, it's asking me to allow mobile number, so it will call to your number. So you can edit it. This is the inquiry form. If anybody wants to inquire about you, he can fill the inquiry and they can submit, and then you can follow up. Now the last is the contacts. Here you can edit your contact details, your firm name, contact number, SMS, email ID, Skype, address and website. Whatever you will make change here, this will implement in your website. Then how can you edit it? So let's see. This is your application. So let's see. Here is your application IITM. The logo is IITM, and if I would like to check and edit it, this is your application. So this is, you can see here. So now you have to click on the site, get started, and here it comes welcome. So click on the welcome, and then my account, moderators, my app, support and logout. So already I am sign up here, so sign in here. So I'll click on the my apps. So I have 3 applications: GC, Green Cottage School, Sarmati Traders, and then IITM. You can upgrade it, edit it, test application on your device, preview website, billing information and view more. So you can edit your application here, and it will charge 999 rupees one time, and your application will be ready. So go ahead, and you can also make an application, effective application for your Android